Hello everyone. So now today in this video we'll look at our two co-working spaces like WeWork. If you have a small business and you're working in a co-working space, do you need a business insurance for your work? Because there's a debate that if I'm using WeWork, for example, and if I'm a freelancer, do I really need a business insurance? And depending on the scale of your business and what your industry, it might depend on a bunch of factors, but let's look at, is it a good option? So undeniably, let's look at what co-working spaces are, for example. So these are companies where, like WeWork, where they have common offices and you can rent out, let's say, a desk for a month without having to sign up a lease and look professional and just manage your business, right? So when you work in a co-working space, and which has been increasing so much now, they usually provide with office amenities and office equipment and desk, chair, yada yada yada, and they have a property insurance. But in an event of a natural disaster or damage itself, it's not just the damages to the property, but also it only covers the damages to the property, but not the privately owned property of the co-working tenant. So co-working tenant owners should be very, very careful about the liability clause in their lease. To safeguard against this, people usually ask me, so should I just get a general liability insurance? That's like the most common type of business insurance that most businesses have, and it's pretty standard, right? It covers everything from like partly bodily injuries and damages or advertising injuries, etc. Any medical and legal costs that might have associated with it. Another option that people ask me is, I'm an accountant or I'm a lawyer or I'm a working professional. Should I just get a professional liability insurance because I'm a sole proprietor, for example, right? And I'm self-employed. So like, if basically you don't live up to the professional standards that you promise your client, this type of insurance will not only protect you against the clientele, but can also help you recoup any money lost from professional services. Now, people ask me, okay, that's good, but what if I need both of them? So this is the option that I want to talk about, is the business owner's policy. What this is, it's a mix of general liability and a commercial property insurance. So it gives you the best of both. But so it will protect you against like any injuries that might happen in the co-working space to another individual, but it will also protect you against any harm or damage or theft that might happen, and any of the bad effects that could happen with the professional liability insurance. So I would highly recommend looking into this, and I will make a longer video explaining this in detail. Thank you.